The objective of LSIB's Level 3 Foundation Diploma in Accountancy is to equip learners with knowledge and skills for a career in the accounting sector, as a support worker or accounts assistant. The qualification is regulated by the Office of Qualifications and Examinations Regulation, Ofqual, which regulates qualifications in England. Level 3 diplomas represent practical knowledge, skills, capabilities and competences that are assessed in academic terms as being equivalent to GCE, A levels. The Level 3 Foundation Diploma in Accountancy is a 60-credit qualification consisting of 3 units of 20 credits each. The qualification is delivered fully online, in 2 duration modes, 6-month fast track and 9-month standard mode. All units within this qualification are internally assessed by LSIB, and externally verified by the awarding body via submission of assignments. Successful completion of this qualification provides learners the opportunity for academic progressions to a wide range of undergraduate programs including Level 4 Diploma in Accounting and Business. Get affordable education designed for you and reach new heights in your career. Visit www.lsib.co.uk today.